Finally here, guys. Hi guys, it's your boy Callum here. I'm not gonna be using this phone for that long because my iPhone 5 is here. I'm gonna do a box opening today. Right now I'm not wearing any pants, as you can see, only boxes. So just wait there. At these. I'm a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah. There we go. You guys can see me. Ow. You guys can see me perfectly. So it's here. My iPhone 5s. This is finally. Let's open it. What the hell? It's only just got here a couple of... What the hell? The box is... Please subscribe, because this was a phony iPhone 6. They didn't even send it. This is... Oh, am I meant to be using this? Oh, I get it. I hate this when I can't make a video. Hi, yeah. Please subscribe. I don't care. It's only a stupid phone. I've got this one. I was going to use it for the band mostly, but... So yeah, please subscribe. Just please subscribe. And like and share. And fake iPhone. Peace.